KoocinayPH. Easy recipe ideas every day. For today's recipe, melt in your mouth chicken. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup mayonnaise or plain Greek yogurt for a lighter option, 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and black pepper to taste. Quick steps. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and lightly grease a baking dish. 2. Prepare the mixture. In a bowl, mix mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper until well combined. 3. Arrange the chicken. Place the chicken breasts in the prepared baking dish. 4. Spread the topping. Evenly spread the creamy Parmesan mixture over each chicken breast. 5. Bake. Place in the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and the top is golden. 6. Serve. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Creamy, cheesy, and incredibly tender, this melt-in-your-mouth chicken is an easy dinner that everyone will love. Save this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to KoocinayPH.